In the 16th century, the Spanish learned about the incredible benefits of cocoa powder for their health. Its popularity has grown since then, and it is now used in nearly every country. Cocoa is a major export for Nigeria, which ranks among the world's top producers. Because of this, cocoa is readily available across the country. The standard method for producing cocoa powder is also quite easy to grasp and use. A large number of cocoa beans are gathered and ground into a fine powder. First, the powder is sifted, and then the cocoa fat and butter are dried off. Making your own cocoa powder is a simple, at-home process. Cocoa powder has various health benefits. Below, we'll go through some of the health advantages. People with hypertension can benefit from using cocoa powder to decrease their blood pressure. 1. Flavanol, a chemical that raises blood nitric oxide levels, is abundant in this food. To put it simply, nitric oxide causes the blood vessels to expand. As a result, blood pressure is reduced. People struggling with hypertension and similar disorders can greatly benefit from this effect. 2. It helps to improve blood flow to the brain. The polyphenols and flavonols in cocoa powder provide a healthy dose of nutrition for the brain when consumed on a regular basis. As a result, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the brain. As a result, it can serve as a means of protecting against cardiovascular accidents like stroke as well as other disorders that can severely impair mental capabilities. People with type 2 diabetes can benefit from its ability to reduce blood glucose levels. 3. Cocoa powder's flavonols boost the body's response to insulin. In addition, it reduces the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the body. People with type 2 diabetes can benefit from them since they aid in blood sugar control. Fourth, it aids in the avoidance of cardiovascular problems including heart attacks and strokes. Protecting your heart is a top priority, and cocoa powder can help. The heart and blood arteries benefit from increased blood flow. Cocoa powder has benefits for the heart and the entire cardiovascular system, and it also helps lower cholesterol levels. Cocoa powder is a great addition to your morning cup of tea. Licking it is another option. Pap, oatmeal, and other similar dishes might benefit from its inclusion as well. At least 20 grams of cocoa powder per day is suggested by the European Food Safety Authorities. Except for those who have a cocoa or chocolate allergy, cocoa powder is good for everyone.